Yo, you looking into buying clear poly bags for your t-shirts, but you just don't know where to start? Let me try to help you out. What's happening, everybody? Your boy Big Brando. Today I want to talk about these clear poly bags, but I also want to talk about your t-shirt folders. This is the folder that I use. You guys see me use this all the time. It's called the flip fold. This one has the solid walls with the bottom flap right here. Let me show you how it works. Here's my t-shirt right here. This is my West Side shirt, 4 fingers up, 2 twisted in the middle. This is what I sell in store. This is also what I sell on bigbrando.com. This is how you use the flip folder. You lay the collar. Obviously, you lay your t-shirt in the middle. Put the collar to the edge. This excess right here, you fold up to the bottom of the folder. Then you just flap these sides over just like that. Then the bottom flips up. Then you have a perfectly folded t-shirt, as you can see right there. This t-shirt right here, using this folder, measures to 9 by 12. That's the finished size. Here's my ruler. Measure the top to the bottom, 12 inches. Measure the sides, 9 inches. This folder folds this t-shirt to 9 by 12. This bag that I use is 9 by 12. So you slide that in, nice and snug. Bingo, 9 by 12. This folds over, has a glue strip on the back to seal it up. There's no extra space in there. It slides in perfect, 9 by 12. Now, you're gonna see that and you're like, all right, I need 9 by 12 bags. That's not how this works. What I recommend you doing is buying your folder first. Do you have to buy this same flip fold? No, you don't. That's the name brand of this one. Amazon has a bunch of different folders. If you are looking for one, I recommend getting one that has these solid walls. The ones that have the walls on the side that are cut in the middle, those ones are a little bit flimsy, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here's one of those ones you could buy off of Amazon. This is what I mean when the walls are not solid. They're cut in the middle, and that's usually made for like packaging. So then that way everything like folds up perfectly. So it could be like folded like this, and then you get it shipped to your house just like this. Nothing wrong with that. If that's what you can afford, I don't recommend this one because since the walls are flimsy, it makes folding the shirts a little bit slower because you got to make sure the shirt's nice and straight, because when you're flopping these things over, once this curls up and it starts bending in the middle, it makes your shirt all crooked. So let me show you what that looks like. You do the same exact thing. You take your t-shirt, lay it over the edge, center that thing up, fold up the excess, and then if you fold it like that, I don't know if you could see that, but it came out crooked. So you have to be able to do it nice and slow to get it to be nice and straight, because if you try to rush it, it's gonna come out funny because these things move, the walls. Then you flop the front up, bingo. This right here is why I say buy the folder first and the bags second, because this now measures at 11 inches by 8.5 inches. So this right here is smaller than this right here. Now, let's say you said, all right, I'm gonna buy these 9 by 12 bags, and this is 8.5 by 11. That means this finished size is smaller than the bag. Then this is what it looks like when it's in the actual bag. Now you have a lot of excess up top, and you have a lot of excess on the sides. This one fits in there snug, square, looks perfect in the bag. This one is not. There's a lot of extra room in this one right here. Is there anything wrong with that? No. But at the end of the day, you want the t-shirt to be in there nice and snug. That's only one example. Let's say that this folded the t-shirt to 10 by 13, and you looked at my bags and you said, oh, I'm gonna get 9 by 12. You buy the 9 by 12 bags, you buy the folder, then your finished size is 10 by 13. Now that 10 by 13 t-shirt will not fit in a 9 by 12 bag because the finished size is way bigger than the actual bag. So that's why I say buy the folder first. Whatever folder you want to use, you buy the folder. After you buy the folder, you take your ruler, you measure the finish size. So if this one measures to 8.5 by 11, you buy 8.5 by 11 bags. So the t-shirt slides in, looks perfect, nice and squared up, ship it off to the customer. Do not buy the bags first or buy the bags and folders together. You need to know what the finished folded size is, all right? Now, let's say you didn't even want to spend money on no folders. You're like, you know what? I don't even need a folder. I could just fold stuff by hand. Can you fold stuff by hand? Yes, you can. Let me show you how to do that. Here's the t-shirt. When you're looking at these shirts, it folds to the collar, right? So here's the collar, here's the collar. That's where the folds start, is at the collar. So all you have to do is do the same exact thing if you're folding it by hand. Fold to the collar. So I'm gonna fold this part right to the collar. Then I'm gonna fold the sleeve over. This part takes a little bit longer than using the t-shirt folder, but it still can be done. Fold that side to the collar. Fold the sleeve in. Then I'm gonna bring this up to the armpits, and then I'm gonna bring this up to the edge. Bingo. Now you have a finished folded t-shirt that would fit in your bag. That's all you're doing. I just folded this by hand. This one was done with the t-shirt folder. Hopefully this helps you out. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, shut up. I'm gonna buy whatever bags I wanna buy. I'm gonna buy whatever folder I wanna buy. Good for you. That's what you need to do. I'm trying to help you save a little bit of money because a lot of people bought 9 by 12 bags and they found out that their folder doesn't fold to 9 by 12. Now they have a bunch of 9 by 12 bags that they can't use. I'm trying to get you to save some money here and not waste time, not waste money. Buy the folder first if you're gonna use a folder. If you're not gonna use a folder and you're gonna fold by hand, measure that sucker, whatever you folded that t-shirt by hand to, buy bags made for that because that's what you're gonna be folding your shirts to all the time. Like Flip Fold is the name brand of this one. You can find it on Amazon. I've had it for years. I think their direct website is flipfold.net. It's in there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's actually like engraved or laser cut into the folder. That's what it says. You could go on Amazon and just type in Flip Fold and then it'll come up. Buy directly from flipfold.net, or this thing even says smartinventions.com. So I'm guessing you could buy it from there. It has exactly how to use it down here on the bottom. This thing works. Is it needed? No. Is it a nice to have? Yes. If you're folding a ton of t-shirts, this thing will save your life. If you're doing it by hand, it's pretty time consuming. You could always buy the other one, like the one that I just showed, the black one from Amazon. Nothing wrong with that one also. For me, personal preference, I like the one that has the solid walls. If you didn't want that one and you wanted to get the other one, or you wanted to buy one from Temu, or you wanted to buy one from Alibaba or whatever, that's fine. Buy it from wherever you want, but buy the folder first, measure the t-shirt, buy your bags made for the t-shirt. Now also, do you need those clear poly bags? No, you don't. I use them because it's a nice to have for the customer. It gives the customer a better experience. I throw stickers in there. The stickers are in there with the t-shirt. You get a chance to open up a fresh package with the t-shirt and stickers in there. It's just for the customer experience. Is it needed? No. Is it a nice to have? Yes. When it comes to this stuff, you're only doing what matters to you, and that's it. Don't go based off, oh man, that guy on YouTube does this, so I got to do it too. No. Does it help to sell? No. Is it gonna make people buy things just because it's in a bag? No. It's just for the customer experience and customer experience only. That's it. When I buy a t-shirt from any big brands that I actually like to buy from, I like when the t-shirt comes right out the bag. I like opening up that bag knowing I have a fresh t-shirt. So since I like that, I want to give my customers that same experience. That's all it is, all right? So if you're looking into getting a folder or these bags or what have you, buy the folder first, measure it, then buy the bags made for that finished size, all right? And if you said, screw it, I don't need the folder, fold the t-shirt by hand. I just showed you how to do it. Fold to the collars, fold the sleeves in, go up to the armpits and fold it over one more time. Easy call. You could accomplish the same fold by hand, or you could be a cheater like me and get a flip folder, make your life easier. This is not sponsored by this company. It's not sponsored by the folding companies. It's not sponsored by the clear poly bags. Just showing you guys what I do, how I do things, what makes my life easier, and things that I found along the way. All right. And if we're talking quality and durability, I've had this flip folder for over 15 years, maybe close to 18 years, way before I was on YouTube. And this thing's still holding up. I've folded tens of thousands of t-shirts with this thing. It's not breaking, it's still good to go. I believe in it. I trust this thing, all right? So it's worth the investment for myself. It might be worth it for you. It might not. Who knows? Jump on Amazon, type it in, find the stuff that you need. You could buy clear poly bags on Amazon. You can buy this folder on Amazon. You could buy rulers on Amazon. You buy whatever you want on there. Now, if you have questions about anything I talked about here, please let me know in the comments, or you can follow me on Instagram and ask your questions there at BigBrandoTV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.